Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I cook this delicious minced beef macaroni. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. Watch this video to the end. You will love this amazing recipe. So let's get started. In a clean pot, add in some water and allow to boil. Once the water is boiling, open the pot, add in some salt, then add in your macaroni, give it a properly stir. If it requires more water, you add more water to it and give it a stir, then cover and allow to cook for like 6 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes now. I'm going to drain out the water and pour some cold water on it to stop the cooking process. Yeah, once I'm done with that, I will set it aside. In a separate pot, add in some vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Once that is done heating up, add in some salt, then add in your chopped onions, fry for like 2 minutes. Two minutes now, add in the minced beef, stir until well combined, and continue cooking until it is well cooked. When looking at it now, it is well cooked. Then add in your tomatoes. So here I use 2 thin fresh tomatoes, mix to combine, then keep frying until oil flow to the top or fries in oil alone. Once the tomato is done frying, add in the carrots. Now season with some seasoned cubes and garlic powder. Add in and keep stirring. Next, we have paprika powder and white pepper, oregano, curry powder. Mix to combine. Then add in some mixed bell pepper. Mix until everything is well combined. Lastly, add in the macaroni. Mix everything until it is well combined. Once you are done turning, cover the pot for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes now, let's check on the pot. Wow! It is ready, guys. Give it a properly stir and turn off the heat. It is ready. It is time to serve. Guys, this minced beef macaroni tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you will be trying out this recipe. Share it with your loved ones and everyone around you, especially your kids, family. Yeah, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. Please, once you do, let me know in the comment section and remain blessed. Bye.